Engineered Math Random Solve Problem number 11. Solve the differential equation sin x sin y dx plus cos x cos y dy equals 0. So this type of differential equation is a separable DE. Kasi pwede nating i-separate yung variable. So the goal is yung dx is nakamultiply by function of x alone, let's say m of x. Tapos yung dy is nakamultiply by function of y alone, let's say n of y. Okay, so i-manipulate natin, separate natin yung variable. Mag-multiply tayo both sides ng DE by an expression. So, dito kay dx, kailangan nakamultiply lang siya by function of x alone. So, itong sin x, okay lang siyang ma-retain kasi function of x. Pero itong sin y, kailangan ma-eliminate. So, mag-multiply ako ng 1 over sin y. Tapos, kay dy, the goal is nakamultiply lang siya kay function of y alone. So, itong cos y, okay siya. But itong cosine x, kailangan ma-eliminate. So, mag-multiply din ako ng 1 over cosine x both sides. Yan. So, ito yung multiply natin both sides para ma-separate yung variable. So, distribute natin. So, sa first term, makakancel natin si sin y. Matitira si sin x dx, tapos may over cosine x pa. Plus, sa second term naman, ang makakancel is si cosine x. So, ang matitira is si cosine y dy over my sin y pa. Then, equal to 1 over sin y cos x times 0 sa right side, 0 pa rin. Yan. So, na separate na yung variable, di ba? Kasi si dx is nakamultiply na lang by function of x alone na sin x over cos x. And also si dy nakamultiply na lang by function of y alone, which is cos y over sin y. Ang next step is i-integrate na natin both sides. Yan. So, integrating both sides. So, integral of sin x dx over cosine x. So, pwede kong applyan to ng identity. Diba yung sin x over cosine x is equal siya sa tan x. So, what is the integral of tan x dx? So, standard integral formula na siya. It is negative ln cosine x, right? Pwede rin tong ln second x actually. Pero negative ln cosine x yung gagamitin ko. Then next, integral ng cos y dy over sin y. So may identity din tayo sa cos y over sin y. Cotangent y naman yon. So ano integral ng cotangent y dy? Sa standard integral formula na rin siya. Integral ng cot y dy naman is ln sin y. Then equal to the integral ng 0 sa right side, that's 0 plus c or c na lang. Yan. So actually, pwede na tong form ng general solution or pwede pa nating i-simplify, maalis natin yung ln dito. Ko-combine lang muna natin na sa single ln. So pwede ko tong i-rewrite as ln of sin y minus ln of cos x by commutative property, right? Tapos, applyan ko ng quotient rule for ln. That is, if we have ln x over y, it is equal to ln x minus ln y. So, magiging single ln siya equal to ln ng sin y over cosine x. Then, equal to c. So, pag inalis natin yung ln, gagawin natin yung both sides of the equation as exponent to the base e. Yan. So, by inverse property, makancel mo tong e to the ln. Matitira na lang is yung absolute value ng sin y over cosine x. And then, itong e to the c, ma-absorb ni c, itong base e, kasi constant lang si base e. So, kahit ibalik na lang natin siya sa c. Yan. So, kapag inalis natin naman yung absolute value, magiging sin y over cosine x is equal to isang positive siya, isang negative value c, right? Pero itong plus minus sign ito, or actually coefficient na plus minus 1, is ma-absorb lang siya ni c kasi constant lang siya. So, babalik ko na lang siya sa c. So, magiging sin y over cosine x is equal to c. Or pwede nating i-cross multiply itong si cosine x. Mamumultiply siya kay c, magiging sin y is equal to c cosine x. So, this is the general solution.